Okay, next tool is Shape Builder. In the previous lesson, you learn how to create objects with Boolean, but they are manual. With Shape Builder, you can create shape very easily. Okay, I draw some shapes here with the strokes. You can see them. For example, the heart. From the color, you can change the color easily. And another shape, for example, a star. I'm trying to draw a complex shape to show you how this tool is acting. Okay, these shapes from here or more complex shape, not important. Another shape that I want to draw, it is a simple line from here to here. Make sure that you deselect everything and create again. Okay, make sure the lines are crossing each other. These tools are defining the closed area, not open. Nice. For using this tool, you have to first select all of the shapes like this, and then select Shape Builder tool. And as you can see, first you have to select the action. You want to create shape from the object, as you can see, or you want to delete object. For example, you want to delete this object from that object. It's exactly like a subtract tool. Don't forget to select R shape. Or you want add, or you want to create intersection between them. This area is created intersection. For example, I want to add drag mode. You have to click and drag holding your mouse. It's adding the shapes together like this. And because of cleanup mode is all unused geometry deleted, it deleted all other geometry or shapes. You can use it none. Again, plus I want to add this part to this part, boom. As you can see, these shapes are adding to this, and you can continue. And because of the style is from the first selected area, it's this shape is first selected. All of the color and styles. A new object come from this object. So you can add or remove something. For example, remove this part. Again, add this part to this part. Interesting. So you can add a lot of things with that area. You can create a line. For example, as you can see, you can create a line or marquee like this. You can add everything. And as you can see, you can add this thing. And then you can delete unnecessary area with these tools. Imagine how interesting thing you can do. So this is for object that has fill tool, and let's try this object to lines. You can create your curved line, your straight line, and create object with this tool. Shape Builder, and as you can see, it does not define the open area. It's define the make sure in action. Clean up no. You can simply create area from that or delete, for example, this will create your object. Interesting. So you learn this object is very easy. You can imagine how interesting work with this new tool you can do. Test it out and enjoy. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.